kind of weird. Didn't realize I'd be able to get this close. What's going on, guys? Ryno Bones here with Ryno Reviews Stuff. This is the year 2022 and I have made a few changes to the channel. I've totally rebranded from just being Ryno Bones to Ryno Reviews Stuff, because I plan on reviewing stuff, not just whatever people send me, although I'll still probably be doing a lot of that, but also stuff that I actually want to review. See, I really love toys, I really love arts, I really love crafts, and I've kind of gotten away from that, and I'd like to get more into that again, you know, make this something I really enjoy doing. I want to get back to eating some nasty rancid MREs again. I'm looking forward to it. So my plan for right now, for 2022 and beyond, is to do one video on Monday and one video on probably Friday. The Monday video that'll be coming out is going to be the video for whatever my tech product is that week. And on Friday it'll be whatever I want to. It might be a tech product, it might be a toy, it might be eating rotten MREs. I'm just not quite sure yet. Friday is up to me. Friday is kind of my free day. So I've already got a lot of products that have been shipped to me. I've got a, well, let's see what I got here. Got a little smartwatch. You actually can play a couple of games on this. It comes with Flappy Birds, and I thought that was pretty cool. It's also got some pretty neat features. I got a big old telescope for kids. And I cannot wait to go out into the wilderness and try this one with MDJ 2K13. I've also got this mystery box, which isn't much of a mystery, but I'm going to do a complete and total unboxing with you guys, because it's something that's going to really help me in moving this channel forward. And of course, you guys saw, if you watched my previous video, the last video of 2021, I've got a 3D printer back there that I cannot wait to unbox and put together. But obviously I'm waiting because I want to do a video for it. So I've got my plan, I've got my new studio set up here, I got a really cool device down here that's going to help me out a lot, and yeah, I'm looking forward to what 2022 brings. I hope you guys stick with the channel, I'm going to stick with it, and I'm looking forward to having a great time. So thank you guys for watching, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!